friends! Today we're learning sounds from M to T. Come hop with us! And don't forget to subscribe and follow for more fun! Wow, Benny! Look at this magical muffin mountain!
I smell muffins!
Yummy!
Welcome to Monkey Muffin Mountain. Say M says
And I'll give you a golden shell.
Yay!
Got the golden, yay! We got the golden M shell. Muffins are the best.
Great job! 1 shell down, 7 more to go.
Whoa! Why are they shouting B? Oh no! They forgot their sound. N says that's it. N says you did it.
Now they sound perfect.
Nightingales! Thank you, Tina and Benny. Oh no, Mr. Octopus! You're stuck in the seaweed. Hang on. We'll help you out. Oh dear. I keep... Ooh. Oh dear. I keep saying, oh, but can't get free. O says ooh, like ocean and octopus. Ooh. Look, Tina, the bubbles make O's. Ooh.
Amazing! You taught me my sound. Here's your shiny shell.
Ahoy there, landhoppers! I'm Captain Parrot. Wow, Benny, a real pirate parrot. Does P say poof like parrot? Polly says P is for parrot, pirate, and party. We got the P shell. The parrot party. Let's go! Welcome, my dear guests. Q is for queen, quilt, and quack.
Wow, your garden is so quiet and cute.
Quick, Tina! Let's find the Q shell before it quacks away! Erasers! R is for rainbow and run! Woohoo! This is the best ride ever!
R for rainbow race.
S is for sand, sun, and starfish. Our sandcastle looks super special. S is for sunny. Toot toot. T is for train and travel. We did it, Benny! The letter T train is terrific. Take a look, Benny. All our letters are coming home. M to T, one by one, shiny and bright.
From muffins to trees, come sing with me. M to T, it's fun as can be. Magic letters shining bright. Tina and Benny learn each night. A laugh, a hop, a silly